Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is an A2 level listening lesson and we're going to be learning about the phrase would like for polite offers and requests. Alright, so what do you need from a waiter? You might say, I would like a glass of water, I would like an extra napkin, so you can use that phrase with a waiter. From a friend, you might say, I would like you to go to the movies with me, or I would like to get together this weekend. From your teacher, you might say something like, I would like you to explain that again. From a sales assistant, I would like to try this on. And from a barista in the cafe, you might say, I would like a large coffee. So it's important to speak in a polite manner, and every language has ways of has ways of speaking in a polite way. If you need some help from someone, how do you ask this in your own language? And can you ask for help in different ways? For example, would you use the same language to ask a family member for help, ask a stranger in the street for help, or ask your boss or teacher for help? There are probably different ways that you would ask for help from each of these types of people. So, in your opinion, which of these is the most polite way to offer something? Do you want a drink? Want a drink? Would you like a drink? You want a drink? Well, probably the most polite is, would you like a drink? The others mean the same thing, but they're much more informal. And what about these requests? Do you think that some are more polite than others? Can you bring some bread? Would you please bring us some bread? We want bread. Get us some bread. So this is probably the most polite, and this one may be the second most. These two seem kind of impolite. In English, we don't use want in offers and requests, especially when speaking with people we don't know very well. We usually use would like plus a noun, as in, I would like some water, please, or we'd like some bread, please. Or we use would like plus the infinitive of a verb. I'd like to see the dessert menu, or I'd like to take a day off from work next week. You can also insert an object pronoun if you would like someone to do something. So for example here, I would like you to study harder this year. So we have the object pronoun you coming before the infinitive verb. I'd like you to help me finish the work, please. I'd like her to stop smoking. I would like them not to talk in the library. And he'd like me to help him. So if there is an object pronoun, it comes after the word like and then before the infinitive verb. All right, so change these sentences to a polite form using I'd like or we'd like, something like that. So you can pause the video, try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to see the answers. Okay, so number one, give me salt and pepper. A more polite way would be something like I'd like the salt, or I'd like you to give me the salt and pepper, please. Number two, I want you to complete your homework. I'd like you to complete your homework. Number 3, I want another piece of cake. I'd like another piece of cake, please. Number 4, be quiet. I'd like you to be quiet, please. I think that you should work harder. I'd like you to work harder, please. And she wants you to speak nicely. She'd like you to speak nicely. All right, so which of these are offers and which of these are general requests about likes and dislikes? So, would you like some wine? So this would be a general offer, but if I said, do you like drinking wine? That would be a general request about likes and dislikes. So would you like some wine as an offer? What about, do you like dancing? Is that an offer or a request about likes and dislikes? Well, that would be about likes or dislikes. Would you like to go to the beach? That one is an offer. Do you like swimming? That's a general request about likes and dislikes. Do you like listening to classical music? That's a general request about likes and dislikes. And would you like to go to a concert next week? That is an offer. So you can see the ones that start with do, these are the ones that are general requests. And the ones that start with would, those are offers. So you will hear polite offers and requests in situations where people do not know one another. At a restaurant, the staff makes polite offers, and customers will make polite requests. So who says these, the customer or the waiter? Would you bring the check, please? Well, that would be the customer. What would you like to drink? That would be the waiter. Would you please bring me some water? That would be the customer. Would you bring some more wine? That's also the customer. Would you like anything else? That's the waiter. And would you like that table by the window? That's the waiter. All right, and before we listen, here's some vocabulary that you're going to hear. So light, like light foods are things like salads or fruits. A Caesar salad is a special kind of salad. Nothing too big means I'd like something small. And shrimp or prawns is this type of seafood. All right, so we're going to listen to a customer place an order in a restaurant. Before we listen, let's read the questions. Which 2 dishes does the customer order? What does the customer order to drink? And what does the customer ask for at the end of the recording? So let's listen.
Sir, are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I'd like the Caesar salad to start.
And what would you like afterward?
Well, I'd like something light. Nothing too big.
Would you like to try our pasta with shrimp and mushrooms in a light cream sauce?
Lovely. I'll have that. And I'd like something to drink. A glass of wine.
Would you like red or white?
A glass of red, please. Oh, and we'd like some bread and water for the table.
All All right, so what 2 dishes does the customer order? Well, he ordered a Caesar salad, and the pasta. And what does he order to drink? Red wine. And what does the customer ask for at the end of the recording? Bread and water for the table. All right, again, we'll read the questions and then listen and then answer. For how many people does the customer wish to make a reservation? What is the time and date of the reservation? And what is the special thing that the customer asks for? Let's listen.
Hi, this is John. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to book a table for 6 people.
Certainly. For which date?
Next Saturday, please, for 8 p.m. Oh, and we'd like a table on the balcony, please.
We have 2 tables available that evening. Would you like the table near the garden or the table near the stairs?
The table near the garden, please.
Certainly.
And I'd like to ask for something a little special. It's for my daughter's birthday, so I'd like to bring my own cake for dessert. Would that be possible?
That's fine. So I'll just take your name and contact details, please.
Okay, so for how many people does the customer wish to make a reservation? 6. So 6 people. And what is the time and date of the reservation? Saturday at 8 p.m. And the special thing that the customer asks for, he wants to bring his own cake for his daughter's birthday. All right, so now you can write your own dialogue between a waiter and a customer using the vocabulary and the polite offers that we just learned today. So these are some things that you would want to include. Make an offer to bring the menu, offer drinks, tell the customers about the specials, offer a dessert menu. The customer might ask about coffee or tea, or they might ask for something extra to be brought, things like bread or more wine, things like that. So just write your own dialogue for extra practice. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I hope to see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.